You saved my bacon butt good, Brandy in the Den. From now on, I'm not helping anyone with anything. See that? Actually, that was kind of mean. There. From now on, I'm just going to be neutral.
Great. It's all bruisey now.
See, she didn't thank me, and I'm okay with it.
Are you okay with being hit upside the head with a Granny Smith?
I think she was aiming for you.
Another bid, you son of a... Fine. 30.
Haddison House. Hold, please. Joyce, there's a Doris Peterson on line 1.
Yeah, just give me a minute.
What?
I said I need a minute and then pull through.
Great, she's having a stroke or something.
I know CPR if she needs mouth-to-mouth or, you know.
You sounded all weird and...
Whoa.
I said we're through.
You snarfed down a month's worth of nuts in one morning.
So?
Do you know how much profit this nut man's making? No wonder he retired. This nut man's a freaking genius.
Why don't I keep the nuts in a secret place and give you a rationed amount every day? Just enough to keep you from going psycho killer.
Not a bad idea, Crystal. So starting tomorrow, we ration nuts.
Starting now.
Just testing.
This guy's nutting his way to the bank.
Hey, lady, can you help me out?
Jeez, you caught me at a bad time. Normally I would. It's just that I've got this new philosophy, so...
Just grab the ladder, will ya?
No, it's nothing personal. It's just I've got to stick to my guns here. I'm sure you'd do the same if you were in my position.
Oh, God.
You've got some gum stuck to the bottom of your shoe.
Hey, how's it going?
Okay.
Fantastic. Yeah, listen, it's been kind of a rough day, and I was wondering if I can get a half a bag of nuts from next week's ration, you know, just take the edge off.
No.
Look, just give me some nuts.
There's 246 bags left, and they have to go a long way.
You suck. I rule.
So, I left him hanging there, but this morning he was gone, and I didn't hear an ambulance, so I'm sure he's fine.
You know, helping people is his own reward. Mother Teresa didn't spend 45 years ministering to the sick so she could get a Nobel Peace Prize.
But I bet it didn't hurt having a little something on the mantle to brag about over drinks.
I think you're confusing Mother Teresa with Dick Butkus. Hey, could you hold this a second?
Oh, that goes against my helpless policy. Have you not been paying attention at all? Hey, buddy. A little help here.
You can't be serious.
I think I got it, actually.
Oh, be careful.
Don't look at me. I didn't do anything.
Okay, now it's $35. Who's gonna pay that? 40. Suck on that, Disco Diva.
You hear the nutman retired? Ugh, don't remind me. I snacked on croutons yesterday, and not the garlic kind.
I'd give anything to get my hands on some nutman nuts.
Hey, Crystal, can you keep an eye on my bobblehead for me?
No, I'm working.
45? Anna! There's my favorite girl.
Uh-oh.
So just keep an eye on this number right here, and if it goes up, then bid $5 higher.
Is that Mo Bobblyhead?
Uh-huh.
I love the Three Stooges. Woo, 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 woo. Why,
Finally, someone who appreciates culture.
Oop. The number just went up.
Oh, wise guy, eh?
So what if I decide not to help out? There's like a gajillion other people to pick up the slack.
That's exactly the type of attitude that breeds, and pretty soon nobody's helping anybody. Could you close the door, please?
Would that be helpful?
Yeah, no. That tricked you. That was totally helpful. No good is going to come from this policy of yours.
Well, you can thank jerk-face Maxwell Smites for that.
Maybe you just caught him on a bad day. You know, maybe his mom just died. Maybe his boat sank. Maybe his mom was on the boat when it sank.
His poor mom. She was probably really close to retirement.
I'm not saying that actually. I mean, they're all possible potentialities. But, look, you know what you need to do? Just go back and talk to the guy. Tell him how you feel. Clear the air.
Yeah, I guess I should. Jesus, poor Mom. It just makes you realize how fragile life really is. Huh, Doc?
Sure.
Hello? Hi, Crystal. It's Sheila from accounting. I need you to come here for a minute. What for? Just come here.